Hey, what's up, Smashers? In this episode of Kronic Kitchen, we're going to be making some Kronic tacos. First step is prepare the rosin. Today we're using the Nugsmasher IQ. It's our latest machine, it's fully automatic, the process couldn't be simpler. This machine makes it so easy to extract. You literally push a button and the whole entire process is taken care of for you. Today we're smashing 3.5 grams of flour. The strain is modified grapes. And we're using a 3.5 gram Nugsmasher bag, 120 micron. As you can see, the results are really great. Gonna go ahead and collect the rosin up here. We use a collection plate, it makes it a lot simpler to get the rosin off the parchment, as it tends to stick to the parchment when it's warmer especially. So next we're gonna go ahead and prepare the shrimp. First step is to peel the shrimp. And wash them. Now we're going to turn on the grill. We're going to be keeping the grill around 300 to 350. We don't want to get it too hot. We don't want the rosin to burn. Next step is prepare the pico. First step is to cut up all the vegetables. We're using 1 onion, a bunch of cilantro, two Serrano peppers for a little spiciness, 2 tomatoes, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of pepper, 1 lime, and 1 lemon. Once all the ingredients are cut up, we're going to go ahead and prepare the pico. So basically you want to get a big bowl and take all your ingredients and mix them together. Add the juices from the lime and the lemon, a little bit of salt and pepper, and mix it up. Next step is cooking the shrimp. First I'm going to put a little bit of butter on the griddle to get it going. And we're going to add our rosin to the butter pad as well, kind of get that going. We want the fat to kind of infuse with the rosin. And we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp. Just make sure they evenly cook. Anthony's adding a little bit of lemon here for flavor. A little bit of honey for flavor too as well. Gives it a little bit of sweetness. You want to grill the shrimp until they're nicely grilled on each side. Next, we get the tortillas heated up. Just want to cook them long enough to get flexible so they don't break when you bend them. Last step is to build the taco and enjoy your high.